Okay, so let's get started with the new module, that is the login module first. So when we try to log into the module, that is with the ID, that is tarun@example.com, in the password with the relevant password. When we click on the sign in button, it's not persist the value in the sign in. So first of all, you must to check your interceptors like that. You have a interceptor like a error interceptor. You need to create a new interceptors for this, because you want to persist the cookies uh, with every request. And you need to send you need to send uh, interceptors. You need to send the cookies with the all request. So you need to add interceptor into your project, another interceptor into your project, like the error interceptors, that is the auth interceptors, or you can say the name, that is the authentications. Okay, so just create a new interceptor, that is ngg interceptor core interceptor and the auth interceptor. Also change the you don't need to add the ts file, that is the testing file. So here we have the default interceptor function, and you need to clone the request. You need to send the request with the credentials like that. The clone request.clone with the credential is true, and send the clone request, because the each request is immutable by default. So you need to add the auth interceptor inside your app config file. And here we have the message that is here. And just after that, you need to compile your project again and send it login again, and with their data. And that is why here we go. You can see that here we have the Gmail ID here, and the different default of this one. And cart is working properly, but cart is not prepared. So you need to add a cart. So first of all, your cart, you have an cart component, and you design the cart component first, and after that you can calculate the cart have two components, because you need to all the you need to all the values from the cart. And you have already a cart component, so you don't need to add another name of the component. So here we have a features have a cart, and cart have a cart component. So just open the cart component first, component.html, and you need to design the first the cart component. And here we have a cart component like cart service dot cart dot items dot length is greater than 0. So just add a cart here, and after that each item into the pass to the cart item component. And the ts file is the router service, the cart service, and cart service is actually get the cart, because each cart have a cart item. Okay, another one is to tell you the something like cart item dot component. Cart item is actually have a cart related items like router link when we click on the cart button, and increment and decrement quantities, pictures, and you know delete buttons. So all we have a cart, and last one is the delete button. So when we click on the cart, you can see the item that is cart. So just click on the cart button, and you can see here we have a cart. Add few of items into the cart from the home page and the detail page. Now after that you can go into the cart, and you can see that here we have a cart detail like in the form of the list. Okay, so you need to solve the cart problem, and that is you need to add a core service and the init service, because the cart is not persist. When we refresh the item, that service will persist. So init service is actually we have, and inside the init service we need to add the cart service and the account service. And the cart id is a local storage dot get item from the cart id, and the cart service is the cart id you have. So if you have a cart id is null, so get cart from the with the help of the cart id. And after that you can use the fork join of the rxjs operator. And you know that inside your app.config file you need to call this dependency or the dependency of that service, and that is your code. So that is the provide app initializer. Provide app initializer is a function through which we can call the init service. So here we have the the code, and after that you can refresh it, your cart will persist. Okay, and everything is fine. Okay, now just go to the my cart again, and the logout is perfectly done. Now you know that the cart have the cart item, and each cart item actually display the cart summary as well. So here you can add the cart summary just after the cart item. In the right side, you need to add the cart summary, or you can say the order summary, sorry. So here we have a app order summary, and the order summary is looking like that. So that is my order summary code, and that will display only the order details. So here we have a apply coupon and the cart service. The cart service is actually get the total number of items and subtotals and the coupon related details and etc. So in the HTML page of the order summary page, you need to add that lines of code. So like cart service dot totals dot subtotals dot currency, the cart service dot totals dot discount, shipping total. And here we have two buttons that is based on the location, and that is the checkout and the shopping. Okay, continue with the shoppings and checkout buttons, but it will handle a later session. So that we can continue with the order or the continue with the cart. So cart service dot you have a totals like constant total, cart delivery items, cart and discount. So cart dot coupon dot amount of, and all the things. Okay, so do you have a voucher code and the coupon is applied like that code in the order summary page, and order summary will looking like that. That this is the complete cart. So do you have a voucher, you can add the voucher code, but here we have two other buttons like into the shopping cart and the buttons. So that value will be increased looking like that. So when we click on the logout button and the registration button, you can see, and also the registration is done by the help of the register component inside your account component. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching another videos which is related to the the jewelry projects.